Hi friends, I'm Manu and welcome back to my series, One Highly Profitable Small Business Idea. And today, this is idea number 4. Do you want to earn extra income every single month while working just a few hours from home and without using any heavy or expensive machines? Then don't skip this video. Today's business idea is dry fruit making business. And before we continue, make sure to save this video right now so you can easily find it again later. Yes, cutting, drying, and beautifully packing dry fruits right from your home and selling them in premium packaging for amazing profits. This business is becoming extremely popular in the USA because people prefer healthy, natural snacks and they love supporting small, clean, home-based brands. You can prepare dried mango, dried kiwi, dried strawberries, dried apples, mixed fruit jars, premium holiday and gift boxes. You only need a simple food dehydrator or even your home oven. Just slice the fruit, dehydrate it for a few hours, pack it neatly, and it's ready to sell. Let's talk profit. If you prepare just 10 pounds of dried fruit, your cost stays low. But in the USA, these dry fruits easily sell for $12 to $25 per pound, especially when you use premium, aesthetic packaging. So even one small batch can give you $80 to $150 profit, and special gift boxes can bring in even higher earnings. And if you pack them beautifully in jars or boxes, just like I'll show you in the video, your selling price instantly increases because great presentation always leads to higher income. This business is perfect for anyone who wants to start an online shop on Etsy, Instagram, TikTok, or local USA marketplaces. It's healthy, trendy, low investment, and highly profitable. If you want the full step-by-step detailed video on how to start this dry fruit business, comment yes below and I will DM you the complete tutorial. But remember, you will receive the DM only if you are following me. And if this video reaches 10,000 likes, I will create the next part as well. Wherever you're watching this, make sure to follow. And if you're on YouTube, subscribe and turn on the bell. You'll get more small investment, high profit business ideas like this. If you're someone who has always dreamed of starting a small, clean, home-based business that can grow steadily month after month, then stay with me till the end of this video because today's idea has the perfect balance of simplicity, creativity, and high profit. This business lets you create something healthy, beautiful, and in demand right from your kitchen and earn in dollars without any complicated setup. The best part, you don't need a factory space, you don't need large machines, and you don't need a big team. You only need a clean workspace, a simple dehydrator or oven, and fresh fruits. That's all. And once you learn the method of cutting, drying, storing, and packaging, you can multiply your batches anytime. Now let's talk about what makes this business powerful. Around the world, especially in the USA, Canada, UK, Australia, and Gulf countries, people are shifting towards healthy snacking. They're actively looking for alternatives to chips, cookies, and processed snacks. And that's where dried fruits and dehydrated snacks come in. They look aesthetic, they taste amazing, and most importantly, they are real, natural food. You can create an entire product line just from fruits that are already available in any city. Apples, mangoes, bananas, oranges, strawberries, kiwis, peaches, pineapples, pears, plums. You can even work with seasonal fruits and turn them into year-round products. A simple apple, for example, which many people don't enjoy raw, becomes a premium snack once it is dehydrated. Kids love it, adults love it, and fitness-conscious customers buy it again and again. You can go beyond basic fruits. You can make fruit roll snacks, fruit leather, thin crisp slices, sugar-free dried fruit chips, mixed fruit blends, smoothie toppers, and even dried citrus slices that are used for cocktails and tea infusions. These are extremely trendy in the USA right now. Bars, cafes, home bakers, tea brands, everyone uses dried citrus for flavor and decoration. Another amazing product you can add is rehydrated fruit blends. These are fruits that are dried naturally, and when soaked in warm water, they return to their natural juicy form. They are perfect for desserts, baking, granola bowls, yogurt, and breakfast recipes. You can sell them in small jars with instructions like add 2 spoons of warm water and let it sit for 20 minutes. People love convenience, and this small instruction makes your product more premium. You can also experiment with flavoring. Once fruits are dehydrated, you can coat them lightly with cinnamon, honey powder, chili lime salt, or cocoa dust. These flavored snacks are extremely popular in American farmer markets. Even something as simple as cinnamon apple rings can sell like crazy. Now let's talk about production. The secret to premium dried fruits is consistency, thin slicing, even drying, and proper cooling time. When you control these 3 steps, your fruits come out crisp, clean, and perfect every single time. And remember, the beauty of dehydrated products is that they're lightweight but hold high value. For example, a few ounces can be sold for several dollars when packaged well. Speaking of packaging, this is where your income can instantly increase. Transparent jars, craft paper bags with windows, resealable pouches, minimalistic labels, pastel colors. The more aesthetic your packaging looks, the higher price you can charge. In many cases, the packaging increases the perceived value far more than the ingredient cost. And the best part? The packaging choices are endless. You can make small snack pouches for gyms, larger family packs, variety boxes, gift sets, and seasonal themed sets. You can also plan special editions for festivals, Christmas jars, Valentine's gift boxes, New Year health boxes, Mother's Day wellness baskets, and Ramadan dried fruit assortments. These premium bundles allow you to earn significantly higher margins because people are willing to pay more for gifting products. Once your products are ready, selling them becomes easier than you think. Platforms like Etsy, Instagram shops, Facebook Marketplace, and TikTok Shop already have huge audiences searching for healthy snacks. And when you present your products with clean photos and short, aesthetic videos, you'll immediately attract attention. Customers love seeing behind the scenes, slicing, drying, arranging, and packing. This builds trust and helps your brand grow faster. Now let's talk about the business side. When you buy fruits during the season, the cost becomes extremely low. And since dehydrated foods shrink in size but not in flavor, one small pack can be sold for a good price in dollars. Your earning potential increases even more when you offer subscription boxes. Many families in the USA now subscribe to weekly or monthly snack boxes for their kids. This means a stable monthly income for you. Another angle you can target is the fitness community. Gyms, trainers, athletes, and health-conscious individuals prefer natural snacks that provide energy without sugar. Your dried fruit packs can become their go-to snack. You can even prepare special energy mix packs for them using banana chips, mango bites, apple crisps, and a sprinkle of nuts. To maintain quality, always store your dried fruits in airtight containers. Moisture control is the key. If your storage is clean and dry, your products can easily last several months without losing freshness. This also helps you prepare in bulk during busy seasons. And here's the best part. You can start this business from any city, any home, any kitchen. No matter where you live, you can source fresh fruits locally and sell your finished products online worldwide. Whether you're in New York, Houston, Chicago, Los Angeles, Dallas, Karachi, Lahore, Dubai, it doesn't matter. The process stays the same and the demand stays strong. And before we end, remember this very important thing. You can start this business with a small budget, but you can grow it into something big because healthy food never goes out of trend. Customers are constantly searching for clean, natural, homemade alternatives. And once they trust your brand, they return again and again. And if you want the full details of this business, including where to buy the machine, trusted suppliers, and all the setup links, then just comment dry fruit business below. I'll send you everything personally. But remember, you will receive the details only if you have liked this video and subscribed.